Okay, hello, this is Vic, and in this particular presentation, once again, I'm going to be talking about regenerative braking in an electric vehicle. But before I start about talking about regenerative braking in an electric vehicle in a general sense, first I'll cover my display in my particular car. You see the word total power in the top center of the video. And under the total power, you will see a number and kW, and it's measuring the number of kW being pulled from the power supply, or in this case, fed back to the power supply. And that number is going to vary depending upon the position of my foot, the pressure that I'm placing on the accelerator pedal. That number will vary based on pressure. And as far as regenerative braking goes, what is required for regenerative braking to happen? You do not have to press on the brake pedal for regenerative braking to occur. What is required is to remove or reduce pressure from the accelerator pedal. Because once you remove or reduce pressure from the accelerator pedal, then the computer in the car and the motor that was driving the wheels to keep the speed up, now know that now the motor starts to act as a generator, behave as a generator, and attempts to feed power back into the power supply or the batteries, thus having a slowing effect on the battery, hence the term regenerative braking, because you're actually slowing down while the motor is regenerating power back into the power supply. Now, with that being said, I will go ahead and start this demonstration. And by the way, what I do here is I am purposely varying the pressure on my accelerator pedal just to make sure regenerative braking kicks in while I'm recording. You see, sometimes it's negative, sometimes it is not negative. And you also see my speed is varying. Once again, I am not pressing on my brake pedal at all. Sometimes I'm pressing on my accelerator, and sometimes I'm reducing pressure from the accelerator. And that is going to conclude this presentation for regenerative braking. And what I intended to display was the effect of regenerative braking without pressing on the brake pedal. And this is just another way that electric vehicles will save the owner money in that. For example, if you're driving if you're driving and you come to an intersection and you see that within just a couple of yards, few yards in front of you, that the traffic is moving very, very slowly, then all you have to do is remove pressure or reduce pressure from any EV driver knows that all you need to do is remove the pressure or reduce pressure from your accelerator pedal. And that also saves wear and tear on your braking system and braking components. That's just another example of how electric vehicles can save money. Thank you for watching.